Hi guys, this is our window where I'm going to show you a beautiful scene of nature. Here is a beautiful bird which has made its nest a few days ago. I feel sorry about this empty bowl of water, but it wasn't like this before. Every time we tried to give water to the plant and to fill the bowl of water, the bird flew away. So we decided not to disturb the bird anymore.
Yes, this is a bat.
Today the bird flew off, so we had a chance to fill the bowl and water the plant. We all were waiting for the bird to lay its eggs, especially Rehan. And finally, let me surprise you. These are the two beautiful eggs of the bird. Can you see the strength in the bird's eyes, as if it will not let anything touch its eggs? This is the real nature, Subhanallah. Do you think they will hatch into birdies? Comment down below